All right, ladies and gentlemen, Anthony Williams here from Detroit, Michigan. Have you heard of this opportunity called Infinity Traffic Boost? And it is dealing with Bitcoin and advertising. It's a platform that's been married together, which helps people advertise whatever opportunity that they're in and earn some extra Bitcoin. Okay. Of course, you got always got your disclaimers out there about what they can offer you, but free people can come in. And, in the description of this video, there will be and they give you plenty of capture pages that you can use, marketing pages, full blowed out back office. I'm going to show you that too. But you can start for free. You can do 100 pages a day. They're going to give you some shares. You want to sponsor at least 4 people that do the same. And you're going to earn Satoshi for looking at web pages. Now, of course, I know people are going to be posting their links in the comment section, but by far, I think this is one of the better ones out there. This is not a Bitcoin doubler, an HIYP, where they promise to pay you 3 to 4 to 100% a day, which is impossible. We're not mining Bitcoin, which right now with the mining fees and transfer fees is, it's become extremely high. So if you want to multiply your Bitcoin, and you want to do it as a network marketer or as a home business, I think Infinity Traffic Boost is the best way to do it right now. And why do I say that? Well, it's because, again, people need advertising. I don't care what business that you're in. If you don't have advertising, you got to have advertising. Or I don't care what kind of business you're in, people are not going to see it. You're not going to make no money. This opportunity, and that's the thing. I've been doing this for, since 2009. And the main advertising platform is what we're doing right now, YouTube. And that is how you get everything out there. But some people use solo ads, some people use social media, and they give you all kind of marketing pages that you can use. And you can promote however many other Bitcoin opportunities that you're into that I know you're going to try to cross-recruit me on in the comment section. That's just how it goes. But I want to show you, and there's a couple people out here on YouTube that are doing Infinity Traffic Boost videos, but a lot of people who put these videos out, they rarely respond. It kind of makes me think they're here today, gone today. But when I get into something like this and I see the power of it and I see the benefits of doing it, just like with my BTC Club, this is where we really want to be. Because my BTC Club, which I'm still in, is an advertising platform, but this is set up a little different. It's set up on a 1-up compensation plan, and I know when people hear 1-up, they say, oh man, I gotta pass up my first sale. What's special about this? You pass up your second sale, and I'm going to show you the PDF compensation plan. But let me show you some of the capture page. This is your main landing page that they're going to give you. Okay, this is going to be in your back office. So this is one of the other capture pages. It's autoplay. Okay, so when you start promoting this, it captures everybody's information, and they click on yes to continue. And then you have another one here. This is the fast track. And what I really like about these capture pages is that they are really in depth. They really show people how this is going to work. Okay, so I don't really need to get into a whole lot of it because it's going to be on the video on the web page that you click underneath this video. It is free to join, but there is a big difference between free people and paid people. Free people, you don't get any pass-ups if you sponsor other people. So, and it's not really expensive to start. That's another great thing about it. There are no monthly fees. There's no monthly auto ships. I'm not into, if I'm going to get in a program like this, I don't want to have to be paying an auto ship every month. There's only a handful of things that I'm willing to pay an auto ship on, and this is one of those that is so easy. It's like, wow, all I got to do is just click on 10 web pages a day. Now, if you're going to be free and join, you got to do 100, and all of that will be explained in the links in the description of this video. So that means under the video, if you're on YouTube, if you're on a web page that I put together, just click on subscribe now. It's going to take you directly to the subscribe page, and you just simply get started. Okay, so now let's go into another one of the web pages. They give you multiple, so they get a free explanation and then they show you a paid explanation. Okay, back to your normal general web page that you get one that's on the beat. So actually, if I click on this doesn't really have any vocal audio in it, but it just simply shows, hey, we pay you up to 30, anywhere between 30 and 80%. So that's the other important part. Okay, so let's get to the PDF. Okay, 30 to 80%. Now, as a paid member, anybody else that you sponsor, and they buy a TPO, a traffic package, and if you're at the traffic package that's $100 or more, you get 80% of the sale. Okay, and if you pick a traffic package in between the first and the one I'm at, TPO 4 or traffic package 5, you make 30%. 30% of the sale that the person bought to come in, you get 30% of that paid directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Now, you can pick an option that allows you to take your commission and automatically upgrade you to the next level. Okay, and all that really does is just give you more advertising credits. Okay, it allows you to advertise 1 or 2 more websites and banners and text ads. So you get all 3. Pretty detailed back office. I'm really liking what I'm seeing over here at Infinity Traffic. So let me go down here and scroll down here to the 1UP, because that's what, when I heard 1UP, I was like, oh man, another 1UP. But I like the way they got their 1UP set up. Okay, so let me scroll down. This is on the PDF. You can also use this yourself when you log in. I'll show you where to get that at. We're going to get past all this text because this is all in video format as well. I want to show you the 1UP diagram that they have. This is one of the main reasons why I jumped in. It's because when you get a 1UP, it gives you an infinity downline pay system. Okay, it means the compensation plan doesn't end. Okay, and I hope I'm on the right PDF. There we go. Back up. This is where this is what got my attention right here. Okay, so if I'm your referral, you come in, you keep your first sale, okay, and everybody in your first sale owes you a pass up down through infinity depths. 1UPs are the best. 2UPs are cool, but 1UPs, you get your first sale, you get your second sale out of the way, you're done. Okay, so your second person that you sponsor goes up to me. My second person goes up to the person that I signed up under in Infinity Track. But from your third and fourth on through, okay, you keep. And then all of their people owe you a pass up. The same thing with their people. They're going to get themselves a pass up down through infinity levels. And what does that mean? That means whatever traffic package that you're at. So if I'm on TPO 4, there's TPO 4, TPO 3, TPO 2, TPO 1. And then they also pass you up from TPO 5. So you also get one higher. So if someone joins you and they come in at TPO 5 and you're at 4, you get that. You're qualified. Now, if you don't want to miss out, you want to upgrade to a higher traffic package. This is the system, this is the thing that I liked about it the most. Not only because of that pass-up system, but so hold up. So let me go back. Let me try to do this all in pretty good time. Okay, what I'm saying about your traffic packages. So we click on dashboard. This is what got my attention about that compensation plan. I said that's off the hook. Okay, because you're making Bitcoin and you're getting ad packs, you're getting advertising credits too. Okay, so buy advertising credits. I'm at TPO 4. Okay. So I'm getting 30% of whatever somebody buys from TPO 5 and below. Okay, so let's go down and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm saying. Okay, and here we go. So right here, I am at TPO 4. Okay, now they recommend TPO 6, which is $120, and down to TPO 11, that's going to pay you 80%. So if someone else, if you're at TPO 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you're going to make 80% of that initial sale. If someone comes in at the TPO 6, 7, 8, okay, you're going to get 80%. TPO 5 and below, which I'm at 4, you get 30%. But by being at TPO 4, if someone I sponsor comes in and they buy TPO 5, if you come over here and look, that's a $60 package, plus the transfer fees, the mining fees. When I paid, it was like $15, so it was like $75 altogether for that. And then it was $12 for TPO 4. So I recommend 4 and 5, just because of the transfer fees. So when I came in at 4, I paid through Coinbase the 30, okay, and then I paid another $13 in minor fees, transfer fees, and it went through pretty good, pretty fast. Where it used to be a time 6, 7, 8 months ago where the fees are only $1 or $2. Now they have skyrocketed. So this is the reason why I'm saying, if you don't have that kind of money to play with on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, come in at 4 and 5 where I'm at, and you can use your commission to buy into 6, 7, 8, 9. Work your way up with your commission, okay? Now, if you look at that scenario, which you're looking at right there, this is the packages that you get. I got 12,000 advertising credits to promote whatever else inside my back office, okay? Now, let's come back over here. What I was saying about your packages, okay, and what level you at. So that means if you come in here and you buy TPO 4, okay, somebody you sponsor comes in and buy TPO 5, you qualify because they will pay you one level higher than your current TPO package. You can't get paid on TPO 6, 7, or 8, or 9. So the reason why I'm saying is you want to promote it at the same level that you're at. If you don't want to pay those exorbitant fees, transfer fees, because the higher you go in whatever you're buying in Bitcoin, the higher the transfer fee is. So it's always good to start off in between 1 and 5 on your traffic packages and promote in that area. Now, anybody that you sponsor, your first sale you keep. Now, most one-ups, you got to pass up the first sale. Not with this one. You pass up the second. And so sale 3, 4, 5, and 6 on through infinity with you keep, and all those folks owe you their second pass up. So it's a generous system, and that's through infinity. So this compensation plan has no limit. You're going to get paid down through infinity levels, 30%. Now, if you move up in traffic package, which I plan to do, okay, because I know some big hitters out here that are going to see these videos. You come in now, you can take your commission. You're promoting. Now, don't forget, okay, you're still also earning on traffic package 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Even though you're at 4, you get to earn on 5 as well. So if people come in, they don't have that much Bitcoin, but they want to get in and get started. Even though you didn't buy in at 1, you didn't buy in at 2, you didn't buy in at 3, you didn't buy in at 4. I mean, you bought in at 4, but you didn't buy in at 3 through 1. Doesn't matter. You're still going to get paid 30%. So just imagine that coming in multiple times a day based off your YouTube videos or your social marketing with Infinity Traffic Boost. Okay, just by promoting your web pages out there. And the capture page is pretty much break it down for you. You really ain't got to do a whole lot of talking. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard. The link is in the description of this video. You can sign up for free, get your Bitcoin ready, pay. Took about 20 minutes for the confirmations to go through. It updated automatically in my back office from Surfer to paid advertising. Okay, so when you log in, this is what it's going to look like. You want to come over here, click on edit. And first thing you want to do is edit your profile. You want to put your Bitcoin e-wallet back there so they know where to send your commission to. You can change, every time you join any business, always edit your profile. Okay, edit your site settings. Okay, get back there so you can know what you're doing, where your money's going. You want to automatically reinvest in a higher package. You can do that. Go through your edit settings portion. Okay, click on affiliates. You can get all your referral pages. You can see your direct referrals. You can view your downline. You can check out your pass ups, check out your earnings, withdrawal history. Okay, click on why promote, because when you click on why promote, it's going to give you a pure explanation of the compensation plan, okay, detail. And I recommend you go back and watch those videos like I did more than one time, okay. But this video right here, when you click on why promote, watch this video, okay. I'm just giving you a short snapshot of what this is all about. It's a one-up traffic package, advertising credits. You get a percentage out of whatever paid people buy. Okay, and you'll find that out when you watch this presentation. And there's a PDF, just like I just showed you. Again, they show you another chart of the pass up of the one up, which is pretty good compensation plan, if you ask me. Okay, I'm really digging this opportunity right here. Plenty of marketing that they got back here. Commission structure for all members. It tells you how much you're going to earn. It's everything you need to know. Get in the link in this description